Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kinong song jong ka Meghalaya bat Assam klia soy eksosklar yasuk hamai khuli mentaka janmi yakni eksosklar klia soy harangkat ke jingdon lang ki bor district na Meghalaya bat Assam kumjuru ki nongmi khmat na ka peace committee jong jala Assam kidon sangut na Meghalaya bat sangut na Assam ki bia soy hakni eksosklar ban nadu mentaka sngi kini songsuk songsan no harangkat ke jinges ngutu jingmut bat ke jingya buram markeliang la penyeng biang ruyu nar elektrik bla syak pen klem hakini khendiat banai but insya ikinong Meghalaya bikin penyeng biang yu maunong rim jok skim MNERGE ubadan hajan kapung mai khuli UMLE ke jirang ba sostane sotun ula ong ba marsen mi ke tu jingjia ula simkhia wood yakne kam bol bakran yak sarkar bagan le no kam kloy.
And as the Executive Magistrate of Ribhoi District, in the presence of also another Executive Magistrate here from Ribhoi District, and also as the BDO of Umling Sen RD Block, I'm very happy to announce that both sides, from the Assam side and from the Meghalaya side, the peace committees from both sides has decided to take a very mature decision to meet and to discuss and deliberate and come to a resolution of whatever issue that has been confronting both the sides for the past 2 days. So I would like to personally thank, not only from my side but also from the Deputy Commissioner's side and also from the Deputy Commissioner of Kamrup, also for taking the initiative for ensuring that peace and mutual coexistence is maintained. Because the people of Assam and the people of Meghalaya in this particular region have been living peacefully for a very, very long time. Since time immemorial, since history can remember. So I, again, from the very bottom of my heart, I thank you again for taking the initiative, for sitting and discussing and for coming to a mutual resolution to this issues that has been faced by both the sides. So I'm very happy to announce that this mutual peace agreement has been signed, and in fact will be signed in the presence of the respected media people and in the presence of representatives from both the sides, from the peace committee of both the sides. And just to give a short brief on what was resolved today between both the peace committees. So the agreement terms first is maintenance of peace and joint resolution of issues. So both peace committees have agreed that any issues or misunderstanding of disputes relating to the border will be discussed jointly by both the peace committees. No unilateral action shall be taken by either side without prior discussion and mutual consent. Number 2, installation of electric poles. Both sides have agreed to, number 1, that electric poles may be erected by both the Assam and Meghalaya authorities within their respective sites. And secondly, this measure is intended to ease public inconvenience due to existing electricity issues and ensure improvement of basic services for all local residents. Number 3, restoration and rewriting of signboards. So both parties have agreed that the Maikhuli Village Fishery Pond signboard, as well as the MG and Rega CIB Community Information Board, which was earlier erased or damaged by miscreants, shall be rewritten and restored. And number 2, both committees will ensure that no party causes harm to official or public signboards in the future. So this mutual peace agreement between the two sides will be signed in the presence of the press today.
Finally take first from that side, household. After that we will sign. Sini tu sengkak ini tak sini udara kan ini udara.
Ayo, Abi hai. Babura. Abi nama dia.
Singalang juga.
저 가는 근무 사람이지.
Ora mamal pat phag bara.
가보자.
Irunut ko utong ko. Kosong ko. Yan sa mga
বস্তু সেন্ড করলে
Nikki.
Who else is missing? दो कॉपी रखिएगा, एक कॉपी आप लोग अच्छा ये पेज The peace committees of Meghalaya and of Assam, I will officially hand over one copy each to the headman of Maikoli village and also to a member of the Assam Peace Committee, Mr. Nipu Saikia. Yes. So as BDO and as Executive Magistrate of Riphoi District, I'm glad and happy to inform you that the peace has officially been resolved, and thereby I hand over this copy of the peace resolution to both the sides. Copy.
আমি যিবা কাম কৰিলে আমি দুইটা পক্ষ একেলগে থাকি কৰিম অকলে নহয় হয় না
महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट का है मतलब नियम है हाँ। तो जो भी प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करेगा एमजी मनरेगा के अंडर में गवर्नमेंट का एक्ट का ऑर्डर से साइन बोर्ड होने पड़ेगा। सिटीजन इंफॉर्मेशन बोर्ड बुलाता है इसको। तो ये प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, ये गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टी हो गया। तो इसलिए 2 साल पहले भी यहाँ में एक साइन बोर्ड था। Because under the MG Manrega Act, after every completion of project under MG Manrega, citizen information board is required to ensure transparency. ठीक है, तो इसलिए ये बोर्ड का होने यहाँ में जरूरी है क्योंकि this is mandated by the Act, महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन एक्ट, गारंटी एक्ट. Okay. So based on that and also as a symbol of peaceful coexistence, I will now again as the block development officer of this Umling Senardi block, through whose VEC this project has been implemented, I will put again this signboard. Okay? No, this project was again implemented through MG Manrega, the act of which makes it mandatory for a citizen information board.
হয় রিটার্নিং
ওয়ালটো কাম কৰিছে
মানে পুখুৰীটোত মাটি যায় প্লাষ্টিক পেলাই লেতেৰা পেতেৰা পেলাই তাৰ মোটামুটি প্ৰটেকশ্যনৰ কাৰণে মনৰেগাৰ পৰা আমি এইটো স্কিমটো পাইছিলোঁ আৰু
and this also is also a symbol of the peace that has been resolved, has been met again today. Okay, thank you.
हम लोग परसों पोस्ट लगा ठीक है आप लोग का जो रहेगा बुला ठीक है
nakalian sungi kumpi nami pada nak kalian bercakap dengan kuat pakai kono ka jia kena hantam hak legislasi pada kapolda kalau kecingja ke bam sisni mende amal kuli pada mende bat hadu mende nak kalian jola macam jo ke seperti nak kalian ki senglong kume amal kuli kinong senglong amal kuli melayo ban yekran sigibor balon Shau Honorable Chief Minister, Shau Deputy Chief Minister, nangka Shau di Deputy Commissioner ke SP nak ke polis baru, bang ki kinshim ni ka singgam ka action ke di bandan hak ground nang bang kanumi kanu ka jinge kenat kanu no ka jinge dom lagi kami no ka tinjak bersungsi. Kalau mentah sepang orang yok ka kubur hak ba nak kalian ki ar mama kemudian nak kalian ki Assam mati Meghalaya di badan itu kilaya depan penskem yang berbeda dengan peace committee atau in saya sign menta video jo umling in select menta sete batin sign kata peace committee nambah kenundai bandan kanu kajing penwet hagibei kati area particular katanya majulis hagibei begini ke signboard bagi post katum ka information bagi ngelayo ba menta hikin hapkin kilai sim ka jing menjur lang ba yaktu ke signboard ke ba nakalian ki don katu kene ngintip mano bale baki la depan ai da ka rongyong ba mentala depan kolor ba menta kisah il sothok biang ye katu ka pintien ki ba nakalian ka MG NRGA ha ba kila instruct ki ba kan kinthok ki pintien ki bala thok katum ka scheme ka buan ling ba ka MG NRGA